Time now for today's In Focus. From a successful Valentine's series, the country's fast food chain decided to continue one of its stories to pay tribute to our beloved mothers. Coming from a story of a dying father, the video now shows how the kid managed to graduate with honors and couldn't help but feel grateful from everything his mother did for him. As of this writing, the video already generated almost 3 million views.
Joey, anak, kakayanin ko ang lahat para sa iyo.
Kaya nga, alam kong sasabihin mo sa akin proud ka. Pero mas gusto kong sabihin sa lahat, mas proud ako sa mama ko.
Here's another heartwarming video you should watch out for. It's from an insurance company that tells the story of a stand-up comedian and his supportive father. Here's a look.
And when people see my family, they say, wow, your family is complete. You have doctors, attorneys, and a stand-up comedian. So you have a doctor's appointment, an attorney's appointment, and a disappointment. Minsan, yung dad ko, hindi pa nagigets yung mga jokes ko, di ba? Tinanong ko siya eh. Sabi ko, Dad, natatawa ka ba sa mga jokes ko? Sabi niya, mahirap yung ginagawa mo. Bira lang ng bira. So, bira lang ng bira, no? Yan kasi yung sinasabi sa akin ng dad ko dati. Thanks for everything, Dad. Ayun pala siya guys, palapakan natin tatay ko. Ang tagal niya kasi mag-CR eh, nabahan ako. 65 na kasi siya eh. So, sobrang ganda ng tatay ko, yung birthday candles niya, mukha ng bonfire.
The commercial already has at least 1.3 million views on Facebook, and netizens can't stop but watch and share these videos. Did you hit the like button? Thank you for joining us here on The Source. I'm Pinky Webb. You're watching CNN Philippines.